to speak. Kindly allow us to speak. What is this? Allow us to speak. Sir, our country. Sir, सुनिए 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 ना सर सुनिए
kindly conclude.
सुनिए सर आप बाहर में हमको डार्लिंग बोल के पुकारता है, इधर टाइम नहीं देता है, ये क्या है सर? जरा टाइम तो दे दीजिए डार्लिंग को। सर दे दीजिए सर सुनिए। The writer writes a book. That's much. Writer gives it the publication. That's much. And publication, when the publication has come in a public domain, when the publication has come public domain, it is for the reader to, what is this? Hello sir, kindly allow us to speak. Kindly allow us to speak. What is this? Allow us to speak. Sir, this is the writer. It has become, when it has come to public domain, public will criticize it. Sir, allow me, sir, my time has not been finished, party time. Kindly allow. I will make it, sir, listen to me, sir. That is the question. Question is not there. Who has published or not? Sir, sir, our country. Sir, सुनिए ना सर सुनिए।
Request is kindly conclude.
सुनिए सर आप बाहर में हमको डार्लिंग बोल के पुकारता है, इधर टाइम नहीं देता है, ये क्या है सर? जरा टाइम तो दे दीजिए डार्लिंग को। सर दे दीजिए
I'm on chair. I'm on only chair. I can't favor you. I can't favor you. I have given you maximum.
देश को कंट्रोल कर रहा है 4 आदमी, 2 आदमी देश को जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो बेच देते हैं और 2 आदमी वो खरीद लेते हैं। अरे 4 आदमी गुजरात से आते हैं सर।
राहुल गांधी
से 4 आदमी से गुजरात से आते हैं सर।
राहुल गांधी जी।
Sir, FM is not here, sir. No. Finance minister is not here for a.
Finance minister.
Leader of opposition speaking also.
You are very senior member. There is a collective responsibility of the government. Already Minister of State Finance is here.
Sir,
Mr. Pankaj is here. Parliamentary Affairs Minister is here. Railway Minister is here.
Sir, this is a budget discussion.
Certainly he will come.
Sir,
certainly he will.
हम जानते हैं
already Minister of
आप हर
Finance
समय बात उठाना ही है, बिना मतलब से आप पॉइंट बढ़ाते रहते हैं।
You have made your point. You have made your point.
Whenever the leader of opposition speaking in the house, that too in a budget discussion, Honorable Finance Minister presents his conventional, sir.
Already Finance Minister State is
Not
here.
here.
Please, Rahul
Finance
Gandhi.
Minister
Please,
is not
Rahul
here,
Gandhi.
sir.
Ajay, please, you take your.
Okay, you decide whatever you want.
No, I'm not. I think so.
Please don't use his word. He is not deciding on whatever he wants. आप Venugopal sir, you are a senior person. How can you make this statement against the chair? You know that there is a collective responsibility.
Just wait.
We are all members of the cabinet. MOS is sitting there. Minister will be coming soon. Don't make issue on this thing. This is just a minor thing. We don't know when Rahul Gandhi is coming. First he said he is coming at 12. And there is a discussion going on parallelly in Rajya Sabha. Don't make this an issue. Leader of opposition is going to speak. We came to know later. We were not aware of it. We are here to listen.
Thank you for letting me speak today on the budget. Thank you, Rijiju ji, for your comments. I appreciate them. Some time back, Rijiju ji asked me, how do I keep fit? You recall that? And I mentioned to him that I do jiu-jitsu, I do martial arts. And lots of people now in India, youngsters do martial arts. MMA is becoming very popular. Judo is there, jiu-jitsu is there, many different types of martial arts. And जो मार्शल आर्ट की जो फाउंडेशन होती है स्पीकर सर, वो ग्रिप से शुरू होती है। जब हम शुरुआत करते हैं, हम ओपोनेंट पर ग्रिप लेते हैं, ग्रिप लेने की कोशिश करते हैं। ग्रिप नहीं होती है तो कुछ नहीं होता है।
ये तो अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं, लेकिन
बोले तो नहीं
इसको अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं। हम उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हम उनको
सर थोड़ा
डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं।
सर give me some
अरे आप बोलने दीजिए, आप उनको बोलने दीजिए, मैं चेयर पे हूँ, मैंने कहा आप अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं, इसको राष्ट्रपति
सर
अभिभाषण
थोड़ा
में कहना
क्रिएटिव
चाहिए
फ्रीडम,
था। चलिए
थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम तो दे दीजिए।
प्लीज प्लीज।
तो शुरुआत ग्रिप से होती है सर।